Everybody is wonderland. Everybody is wonderland. Aduh, batuk nih. Oh iya, aku lupa minum fix Formula 44 aku. Minum dulu ah. Siapa tahu batuk gua bisa hilang. Dulu. Sedap. Oke. Sekarang kita mulai. We got the afternoon. You got this room for two. One thing I would love to do. Discover me, discovering you. Oh yeah. 1 mile to every insult. Your skin like porcelain. One pair of candy lips and your bubble gum. And you are love, don't make it. Summon a deep sea of blanket. Take a big plan and break it. This is bound to be one. Your body is wonderland. Your body is wonderland. Use my hand. Your body is wonderland. Something about the way that you fall in your face. I love the shape and take when girl on top the pillowcase. Just tell me where to go. Do I my leave if I will never let your hand hit the bed with all my hand behind it. You are love, can make it. Summon a deep sea of blanket. Take a big plan and break them. This is bound to be one. Your body is wonderland. Your body is wonderland. Use my hand. Your body is wonderland. Baby, 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 oh. Udah sembuh nih, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah berkat formula Fix 44. Jadi batuk gua sudah hilang. Jadi gua bebas beraktivitas dan bernyanyi dan bergitar.
Teman-teman coba ya.
Terima kasih untuk formula Fix 44.
Teman-teman coba ya di rumah.
Teman-teman juga coba ya di rumah ya. Oke.
Makasih.
Terima kasih.